Hello everyone, welcome to My Math Teacher. In this video, I am going to solve question number 5, the subdivisions 3 and 4 from the exercise 2.4. The chapter is Polynomials for class 9 students from NCERT syllabus. Question given is, you have to factorize the given polynomial. These are the two subdivisions which we are going to solve in this video. The third subdivision is x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. You can see the given polynomial is in the descending order in terms of degree. The highest is 3, which means we know that we should get 3 factors for this polynomials. First step is, let us write the given polynomial as p of x. Polynomial of variable, the given variable is x here. So write the polynomial x cube. The first factor we will get from this number, which is the last one, that is 20 here. Okay. Now you have to write all the factors of 20. That is 1 is the first factor, 2, and then we will get 4, 5. After this we will get 10 and then 20. These are the factors of 20 which we know. You have to consider the negative of the same numbers as well. So which is minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, minus 10 and minus 20. So out of this we will get our first factor. So now let us consider the first one, that is 1. Let x is equal to 1. In the place of x we are applying 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube plus 13 into 1 square plus 32 into 1 plus 20, which is 1 plus 1 square is 1. When you multiply with 13, it will be 13 only, plus 32 into 1 is 32 plus 20. When you add all the numbers, it is 52 here and then 14. So it will be 66. We know that this is the remainder of the polynomial. If the remainder is 66, definitely it is not a factor. So as this is not equal to 0, then x is equal to 1 is not a factor. Now let us consider the next one. So after 1, go for the negative one. Okay. So now let x is equal to minus 1. So we are applying minus 1 instead of x. So p of minus 1 is equal to, apply here, it is minus 1 cube plus 13 into minus 1 square plus 32 into minus 1 plus 20. Now here minus 1 cube is minus 1 plus 13 into minus 1 square, it is plus 1. Minus into minus will be plus. Now multiply these two numbers, plus into minus is minus, 32 into 1 is 32. The last one is 20. Keep it as it is. Now remove this bracket. So minus 1 plus 13 ones are 13 minus 32 plus 20. Now we are adding all the positive numbers and negative numbers. So minus 1 minus 32, it will be minus 33. Same way, positive numbers plus 13 plus 20, it is plus 33. Now we can see minus 33 and plus 33, when you add it will be 0. That is, p of minus 1 is equal to 0. When the remainder is 0, we can say that minus 1 is a factor. So how will we write? Therefore, when x is equal to minus 1, now take the minus 1 to the left side. What happens? It will be x plus 1. Okay. Now x plus 1 is a factor. This is the first factor which we got. From the first factor, we have to find the rest of the two factors. To find the next two factors, we have to divide this given polynomial by the first factor, that is x plus 1. To find the quotients, simply take the first term, that is x cube here, divided by the first term of the divisor. So you know that x cube is x into x divided by x. When you cancel, x and x can be divided, it will be x square. This x square will be writing in the quotient. Here it is x square. Now multiply x square with the first term, x square into x, it is x cube. The same way, 1 into x square, it is 1 into x square is x square. So plus x square. Let us subtract this. So change the sign. This is positive here, it will be negative now. The same way, it is positive here, it is negative now. Now you have to consider only the sign which is inside the bracket. Now x cube minus x cube, we know x cube minus x cube is 0. The same way, 13x square Now this is the sign which you have to consider minus, because we are subtracting minus x square, which is 12x square. Now this is 12x square. Now bring the next term down, plus 32x. Now we have to find the next term of the quotient. The first term here is, now it's 12x square divided by the same first term, which is x. It is, when you divide this, x and x will be cancelled. Answer is 12x. Now straight away we'll write 12x. It is positive 12x. So plus 12x. Now multiply 1 by 1. 12x into x, which is 12x square. The same way 1 into 12x, it is 12x. So both are positive, plus 12x. Now subtract it. To subtract, change the sign. This is positive here, make it negative. The same way positive, make it negative. 12x square minus 12x square, it is 0. Now 32x minus 12x, it is 20x. Now the last term will be here, which is plus 20. Now finally we'll consider the first term, 20x divided by the first term, which is x. Cancel this, it will be 20. Now this is what we are going to apply in the quotient. It is positive 20. Now multiply 20 into x, 20x. 1 into 20, it is 20. So both are positive, plus into plus will be plus 20. Now change the sign, which is minus minus. It will be 0 here. It is again 0. Now we have got the remainder as 0. Now therefore we can write, what are the factors here? X plus 1 is the first factor. Now this quotient is the second factor, that is x square plus 12x plus 20. This is linear polynomial, this is quadratic. Now we have to find the factors of this. We have to write all the answers like this in a linear polynomial form. Okay, let us find the answer for this one. X square plus 12x plus 20. Now simply we can find the factors. Right, multiply 1 into 20. 1 is the number which is here. So if it is not mentioned, which we know, it is 1. 1 into 20, it is 20. Think of two numbers. When you multiply, you should get 20. When you add, you should get 12. So it is very clear, 10 and 2. 10 2s are 20. 10 plus 2 is 12. Now you can write, therefore x plus 1 into, we can straight away write like this. The variable is x plus 10. 10 into x plus 2 are the factors of p of x. The same way, let us solve the fourth subdivision. Instead of x, the variable given is y. So p of y is equal to the given polynomial. For finding the first factor, consider this number. This is 1. What are the factors of 1? It is simply 1 only. So now write 1, positive 1 and also negative 1. So among these two, we will get our first factor. Let us apply the first one, that is 1. When y is equal to 1, y is the variable which is given. So now apply 1 instead of y. P of 1 is equal to 2 into y cube plus 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1. Now 1 cube is 1, 1 into 2 will be 2 only, plus 1 square is again 1, minus 2 minus 1. Positive 1 and negative 1, it will be 0. Positive 2 and negative 2, it will be 0. This is the remainder which is 0. Now p of 1 is equal to 0. So we can say 1 is the factor. So how to write it? Take the 1 to the other side. It will be y minus 1 is a factor. Let us find the next two factors. Write the given polynomial here and we have to divide by the first factor, y minus 1. Consider the first term, that is 2y cube divided by the first term here, which is y. We know that when you divide, you will get 2y square. Now directly you can write in the quotient. It is 2y square, which is the first term. Now multiply this two terms, 2y square into y, which is 2y cube. Now minus 1 into 2y square, minus 1 into 2y square. When you multiply this, minus 2y square. It is minus 2y square. Now subtract it. To subtract, we have to change the sign. So it is positive, make it negative. This is negative, make it positive. This is the sign which we have to consider while subtracting. Now 2y cube minus y cube, it is 0. Now it is y square plus 2y square, that is 3y square. Bring the next term here, that is minus 2y. Now take the first term, 3y square divided by the first term which is in the divisor, which is y. Now when you divide, it will be 3y. It is positive 3y. Now multiply 3y into y. It is 3y square. The same way, minus 1 into 3y. Minus 1 into 3y. It is minus 3y. Minus 3y. Now subtract it. Negative here because it is positive. Now it will be negative becomes positive now. When you subtract 3y square minus 3y square, it is 0. Minus 2y plus 3y. Minus 2y plus 3y. So it will be plus 1y. Simply we can write plus y. This is y here. Bring the last term here, that is minus 1. Now y divided by y. Now we know y, the first term, divide by y here. Y divided by y, it will be 1. Okay. Now add the number here. Now multiply 1 into y is 1. The same 1 multiplied by the entire divisor, y minus 1. So when you subtract, it will be minus plus. Okay. It will be 0 and 0. Remainder is 0. So we can say that therefore the first factor is y minus 1. So the quotient, consider the quotient which is 2y square plus 3y plus 1. This is the next factor. If it is other than 1 here, simple, you have to split the middle term. So how to do this? Let us see. Multiply the first number and the last one. 2 ones are 2. Now consider this sign which is plus. You have to think of two numbers. When you multiply, it should be 2. 1 2s are 2. That is the only option, or 2 1s are 2. So when you add, you will get 3. Yes, these are the two answers. Now we can write 2y square. So let us factorize this. 2y square plus 3y plus 1 can be written as 2y square, split the middle term, 1y plus 2y. 1y or y, both are same. The last one is plus 1. Here 2y square and y. Now we have to find the common terms. That is, for 2y square, we know that 2 into y. For y, 1y, we have 1 into y, that is 1y. We can see simply it is y is the common term. Take the common as outside. This is common, write the common here. Inside the bracket, write the left out terms. What are they? 2y. Plus here we have got only 1. Okay. Now plus the same for the next two terms. 2y can be written as 2 into y. 1 you can write only 1. So when you don't have anything as common, 1 is the common factor. So write 1 here. Write the 2y plus 1. Whatever left out. From 4 terms we have got 2 terms. In the 2 terms, what are the common terms? Which is inside the bracket is common in both. So 2y plus 1 is taken as common. If you are taking this as common, left out is y. The same way, what is, if you are taking this away, what is left out? Plus 1. So therefore we can say these are the 2 factors. Therefore finally we can write the answer like this: y minus 1 into 2y plus 1 into y plus 1 are the factors of given P of y. I hope you must have understood both the problems which I have solved in this video. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye. Keep practicing.